Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are based on lesson number 3, Agents of Erosion for Geography subject for 11th standard students. So let us start with the first question. What kind of weathering causes the mineral composition of rock to change? So here the options are permeable weathering, chemical weathering, mechanical weathering or physical weathering. So whenever the mineral compositions are changed, so they are changed only in the case of chemical weathering. Okay, they are not changed in the case of mechanical weathering, as well as they are not changed in the case of physical weathering. You can see a tremendous change in the composition of the original rock and the weathered rock only in the case of chemical weathering. Next question. A rock containing iron becomes soft and crumbly and reddish brown in color. So it probably has been chemically weathered by what? So here the options are abstraction, carbon dioxide, oxygen and acid rain. So basically we have seen that iron reacts when it comes into contact with what? So whenever it comes into contact with oxygen, so it starts reacting and it forms oxides. So it is basically because of oxygen and different types of climatic conditions. Next question. Erosion by living things refers only to the role that humans have when building homes and businesses. So now whenever erosion is done by living things, so only human is not the cause of erosion done by human beings. Okay, living things. So living things in that the other things can also come like organisms, like burrowing animals. So even these are the animals or living things which causes erosion. So this is false. Next question. Consider the following statement. The main work of river is deposition. And second, deltas do not obstruct the river flow. Now basically the main work of river is not deposition. The main work of river is what? To carry the material along with it. Transportation is also done by river, as well as deposition is also done by river. Erosion process is also done by river. And so the first statement we cannot say that only deposition is done by river. Next is delta do not obstruct the river flow. Even this is false. Deltas obstruct the river flows. So because of delta, the river gets finding out a new channel. So both neither one and nor two are the true statements. Next question. Which of the following is true about physical weathering in desert? So the first point is crucial physical weathering in desert is repeated wetting and drying of rocks. So this is exactly true. What happens in desert area? There is always a dry atmosphere and there is a wetting of rocks. So because of this tremendous amount of fluctuation which can be seen in desert area. And second is rocks dry very quickly in desert after rain. So whenever there is any rainfall, so because of that the rocks they dry immediately. So both 1 and 2 is the right answer. Next question. Landslides are caused by, so the options are earthquake or volcanic disturbances, man-made steepening, lubricate action of rainwater. Select the correct answer from the following quotes. So landslides can be occurred because of volcano, they can be occurred because of earthquake. Even if the man is keeping on making the slope steep, so even that is the main reason for landslide. Next, lubricating action of rainwater. So even this is also a reason for your landslide. So 1, 2, 3 are the right answers. Next question. Which of the following is not an effect of soil erosion? So the options are reduced soil quality, water pollution, decreased crop yield and improved water quality. So definitely improved water quality cannot be obtained by soil erosion. So this is not an effect of it. Next question. In what class of mass movement does the material move as if it were a fluid? So here the options are flows, slides, falls, all of these. So basically in the falls the rocks comes down. In the case of slides, all rock along with the mud along with the trees, along with the houses, whatever is there, everything comes down. And in the case of flows, what happens? Large amount of water is seen, means it is totally in the liquid state. So that is flows. Next, groundwaters are not needed to be protected from pollution. So basically groundwater, they are not directly exposed. But if there is any case in any leakage of oil, or if there is any leakage of drainage system, then groundwater can be polluted because of it. And it is very, very costly and difficult to purify the groundwater. So basically you should always protect the groundwater from pollution, at least sometimes whenever there is some problems. So groundwater are not needed to be protected from pollution. So this is false. You require it to be kept it as a safer side. Next, the more steep the gradient, the slower a stream will flow. No, it's wrong. If your slope is more steep, then definitely the flow is going to be more faster, not slower. So this is false. So this is all about the assignment number 2 for lesson number 3, agents of erosion in geography. So thank you for watching.